So hello beautiful awesome professionals, my name is Digital Fanil. You are listening to the Digital Fanil. In this quick episode we will discuss how to make money from YouTube. For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there is no harm in thinking big and aim high. But while creating a YouTube channel is simple, like turning it into a cash machine isn't as a straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a deal, but maximizing earning requires understanding all your options before you dive in. We will create this episode to walk you through all of the information that you will need to know if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. At the end of this quick episode, you will know the different way to make money on YouTube, and you will be able to grow your own business with one of the biggest and internet platforms in the world. Can you make money on YouTube? The short answer is yes. Thousands of people are doing it, and not all of them have millions of subscribers to boot. Popular be life. YouTube isn't just a number game. Your earning potential also depends on the niche you cater to, the level of engagement you generate, and the revenue stream you tap into. That's not to say subscriber and views aren't important. How to make money from YouTube. If you have been looking for new ways to generate income, you may be wondering how to make money from YouTube. Well, these are variety of different ways that you can start earning on the platform, most of which resolve around creating compelling video content. Here look at some of the beautiful YouTube income streams available. First is YouTube Partner Program. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you are aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creators won't be able to monetize any of their videos until they've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1000 subscribers and 4000 public views, it will be reviewed to join the partner program. This means that you won't able to generate any revenue until you hit these numbers. So it's essential to continue creating content and increase your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization when you meet the program's criteria. How to enable monetization on YouTube? First is log in to the YouTube channel. You enter the monetize, click your accounts icon in the top right corner, then click YouTube Studio. From the left hand menu, choose other features and monetization. Go through the partner program terms and click agree. Connect an existing AdSense account or create a new one for your channel. Define your monetization preference. After taking this step, go back and to the dashboard and open the analytics tab on the left. On the next screen, select revenue from the top and then scroll down until you see the chart monthly estimated revenue. The chart will give you an idea of your predicted monthly revenue. How many views do you need to make money on YouTube? The number of views your videos get doesn't matter to your YouTube earnings. If you get thousands of views but no one clicks your ads or consume content, you won't earn any money. YouTube even has criteria for paying publishers to running ads on their channel, or a viewer must click the ad or watch it in full to earn money. That said, there is a good news too for people learning how to make money on YouTube. You are no longer solely dependent on advertising to earn revenue. Programs like YouTube Premium now exist to help you make money without ad clicks. Second is YouTube Premium. How do you make money YouTube besides running channel advertisement? YouTube Premium is the answer. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything, as they will automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising based revenue, most of the revenue generated via premium membership fees will go to the creators. Total revenue distribution is based on how much premium members watch your content. Premium members will also get to the opportunity and download and watch your videos offline and play them in the background, which contribute to your watch time. Like next and third is channel membership. When YouTube channel like gets more than 13,000 subscribers, you can add another income stream by like leveraging channel membership. This is where fans buy like 4.99 a month for a membership package that include perks like early access to the videos, members only live chat including like emojis and more. Members will be highlight comment, live chat and the community tab through special member one badge, like because audience are well aware that it can be a real change to a great YouTube channel creator attention. Like it makes sense of offer channel membership, and voila, you will not another answer for like how to make money from YouTube. Pro tips: use your videos to remind people and they can become an exclusive member by clicking the join button on your page. Next and fourth is promotional video content. Business are well aware of the potential which YouTube channels with a large following have, and they always looking for like expert and like this to grow their own business. Once you are gathered like substantial following on the platform, you are likely experience business reaching out to you and requesting you to promote their product in exchange for cash. It can be great way to like promote related products to your audience while generating some extra revenue. But be careful when doing this, as viewers are well aware then something is being advertised. Pro tips: only promote products that you are genuinely interested in and you think that will be valuable for your audience too. That will help you to engage like your viewers happy. Next and five is super chat. Super chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The features lets your audience like buy chat message that send out and it curtain instance like pin them to the top of the comment section of a live stream. So when you go live on YouTube, you can use super chat to monetize your stream. Like YouTube monetization rates, the super chats range $1 to $500, and the company takes a 30% cut from the revenue. For anyone wondering how to make money on YouTube with super chat, the key is to organic and promote live stream. Promote them in videos on their social media or other social media platforms and anywhere else where your audience love hanging out. Like next and six is lead viewers to your product. It doesn't matter whatever you are already running an e-commerce business or you are just looking to learn how to make money from YouTube. It's a great idea to promote your products on your channel. You can promote the items in both your videos and your description. It's a great way to generate more traffic to your store. If you haven't already set up your store, you can Shopify to set up your own online store with easy. Once you got your store up and running, you can sell product that make sense to promote to your audience, be it merch, product which you are mentioned in videos, or just item that you think your viewer will be interested in. If you are exploring how to make money on YouTube, that is the great opportunity. How to make money from YouTube videos. If you have been wondering how to make money from YouTube videos, that your episode, there are a few great tips and that you will learn and need to help like keep in mind when you are creating content. First is try to make your video 10+ minutes long. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Create engaging and informative content. Like make the most of your description. Build your following with consistent posting. Like next, how to make money on YouTube without making videos. The only way to make money from YouTube without creating video is to reuse other people's content. Not many people know this, but YouTube has library of videos that fall under the Creative Commons license. Some forms of the license enable you to publish other people's video on your channel and make money from them. For example, if you find a video that published under the like CC BY license, you can use it and even make like video to it to reflect your own input. Next, how to get paid on YouTube. Anyone exploring how to make money from YouTube may also want to learn how to get paid by YouTube. As per my knowledge, you will need to set up a few things to receive payments like from the company. Firstly, like sign up for a Google AdSense account. using your Gmail ID. Then select your choice of payment from wire transfer, Western Union like quick cash, EFT, electronic fine transfer, or single euro payments area and checks. Depend on your location. You may also need to submit your tax detail while creating your AdSense account. Once AdSense is set up, you can request payment after you meet the minimum payment threshold. Below is a table from Google showing the threshold value per currency. Like next is how to make money from YouTube, like despite the competition. When you are searching how to make money with YouTube, remember that you won't be competing society or solely with other entrepreneurs for traffic and revenue. There will also be full-time YouTubers who are fighting for the attention of your audience. It's important to keep this in mind when you are creating content for your channel. You can stand out from the crowd by creating like solid videos, thumbnails and titles. Remember, YouTube is a heavily visual oriented platform, so nailing this will help you to draw in more users to view your videos. The audio and video quality of your content can also play a major role in your success. You will want to portray your brand in a positive professional light, so your video content will need to high quality. You can also beat the competition by taking advantage of YouTube SEO, creating SEO content for your video description in a great way to generate organic traffic for your YouTube channel. You can find a guide for YouTube SEO. Frequently asked question about earning money from YouTube. When do you start making money on YouTube? You can monetize your YouTube channel as soon as you will receive accepted info the partner program. Before that, you can try landing like sponsorships from brands that pay creators to make good content. If you run an e-commerce store, you can start making money on YouTube the same day you create an account by promoting your items through the platform. Just make sure to spread the word like that you will showing your products and leaving links through your channel. How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? You need 1000 subscribers to apply for the YouTube partner program, which allow you to monetize your channel and earn revenue from ads. Like there are several ways to make money from YouTube. The proven ways. Are you making money on YouTube? What monetization method works best for you? Let us know in comment below. Bye.